Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. We have an exponential equation x to the power log x is equal to 10 times x. Now if we log both sides, log x to the power log x is equal to log 10 times x, and left hand side we can just have this power in front of this and write log x times, we have another log x remaining, equals, and this right hand side is a multiplication, so we write this log 10 plus log x. So this is log x squared, and this is 1, this is log x. So if we substitute a new variable, just let this log x be some t, then we have t squared is equal to 1 plus t. So having everything left hand side, t squared minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. T can be found by the quadratic formula. Negative 1 is 1 plus or minus. The squared is 1, and 4 times 1 times negative 1 with a minus will be 5. So 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2 is our solutions for t. Now my friends, since t is equal to log x, we have t is equal to log x. So we have log x is equal to 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. From this, x is equal to 10 to the power 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. And the second one is log x is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And here we have x is equal to 10 to the power 1 to the 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.